Block height 922,379. One Bitcoin will run you 103,457-ish dollars, and $1 can get you 967 sats. Still got 94% of the supply out there circulating at the moment. Fees are looking low. Great time to consolidate them UTXOs. Hash rate still over 1,000. Looking good. Average block time still shooting for 10 minutes. 23,000 public reachable nodes out there. The security of the system is looking strong, looking good, still growing. And the network is still running flawlessly. If we come take a look, oversold, extremely overbought. The Z-score, we are at the lowest so far since doing this at 1.6. So we're getting towards previous kind of lows. I guess if you want to look at the Z-score and kind of see where resistance has been at and where support has been at, we got some support kind of in the 1.5-ish area. And so we'll see if we continue to head down, hit this 1.57 and then some lows of 1.49, 1.48. So we'll see what price does when we get to this, to about right here. And then if we come take a look at some technicals, or here we go, the floor, the 200-week moving average slowly climbing up. Still has yesterday's price on there when I go to the chart, but it's 54,766. So the floor is still climbing up. And on the technical side, 45 on the RSI. We've kissed the 50-day moving average, so we broke below the 20 EMA. Now we're sitting at the 50 moving average, and we're going to see what the 50 does. Does it hold here and act as a good support level, or do we continue to come down? Like I said, there's a CME gap, which is a futures gap at like 92, 93,000-ish in this price range down here. And as we can see on the weekly, RSI still has room to move down if we're heading in the downward direction, and the MACD is not crossing up yet. So we still might have some room to go down, but we'll see what ends up happening. And then BITI, the inverse, is moving pretty much the same. We see we're coming up to the 50 MA, and we broke through the 20 on the upside, and MACD is still headed up. So the inverse has room to keep running up, and we can go up to 70, and then we can see we got room to keep coming down to the 30 if we reach that level. So previously, here are two lows on the RSI. We'll see if we crack these levels and keep coming down, or if we hit around this area on the RSI and bounce. And then let me go to the spreadsheets. Here are the buys filled at 103,272, was able to get 956 sats, and the account average is up or down since prices have been coming down. So that means the average cost has been coming down as well. And then if we take a look at BITI buys and also the portfolio, up 9%. And then as you can see, this one is down 9%. So here's the spreadsheet. Yesterday's buy was the lowest so far, 57 days. Wasn't able to get in when we cracked below 100,000, but still got that 100,000 buy-in. This is the lowest Z-score so far. And then yesterday was the lowest RSI. So we're in the lows. I'm sure we'll keep making a few lows before we run up, since we have some room to go down. So we'll keep seeing, but the game plan is still the same. And then if we take a look at BITI, up a little bit compared to what's been contributed in dollar terms. So Catch you tomorrow.